You want to know what I regret? It's not what I did. It's everything I didn't do. All the times I had something to say and swallowed it down like a stone. All the chances I had to live loud and chose silence instead. I was scared of failing, of looking stupid, of what they'd think, so I played it safe. Smiled when I didn't mean it, nodded when I wanted to scream, became a nice, forgettable man. And the truth? It eats you alive. Not all at once, slow like rust. I had love once, real love, didn't say a word, let her go, watched her marry someone else and told myself it was fate. But it wasn't fate, it was fear. I killed the version of me that was brave. I did it one quiet, cowardly day at a time. Now all that's left is this old skin and a head full of dreams that never got their turn. You still have time. I can see it in you, so don't wait, don't shrink, don't nod when you should scream. Be wild, be wrong, be real. Because when the silence finally comes, and it will, you'll want to know you lived.